My name is Erica and I work with InMotion Hosting. We are a web hosting and web design company, and today is Tech Thursday. So I wanted to talk to you all about something that helps people create websites and code different software on a regular basis. So let's get started. We are going to be talking about pseudocode. So I know that word may be new and unfamiliar. We're going to break it down. One thing to keep in mind, though, that P at the beginning of the word is silent. So we're not going to pronounce the P. It's just pronounced pseudocode. So pseudo in Greek means false or fake. It can also mean imitating or copying. So when we're talking about pseudocode, this is something that resembles or is similar to actual code that a computer can understand, but it's not quite the same. The reason why we use pseudocode instead of actual code sometimes is because it's easier for people to understand. So the language a computer uses is not the same as our language that we use. And understanding pseudocode is a way to understand how computers work and how we can get computers to do something. Computers need really clear step-by-step instructions, and in this way, kids can be smarter than computers. So if your teacher tells you to take out your homework from yesterday, that's all the instruction you need, because your smart brain can fill in the rest of the steps and know what motions to move in and what to do to take out your homework. But let's say you were trying to tell a robot to do the same thing. You would need the instructions to look differently because robots would be powered by computers and they speak that computer language. So the instructions would need to be: find your backpack, unzip the backpack, take out homework, find your desk, put homework on your desk, and hand homework to the teacher when they walk by. So if you leave out any of these steps for a robot, the computer brain will get confused and not know what to do next, and the whole process of taking out homework comes to a stop. So there is this fun game that I'm going to show you where we can practice making these step-by-step instructions and create your own pseudocode to drive a car. So I'll give everybody a second. Pause your video now to write down the website. Okay, everybody back? So now let's see where that website takes us. If you type that into your search bar up here, then you should get to this page, our Rapid Router page. Then you can scroll down and see there's tons of levels to play. We're going to start, of course, at the beginning. Click Get Started, and we're going to start with Lesson 1. So once you click that, it will take you to a page that looks like this. So here you have your track. This is the building, here's your truck, and you're trying to drive it home. So this is where you'll build out the instructions, the pseudocode, to make those step-by-step instructions for the computer to follow. And these are all your tools here to the left. So this track, because it's just a straight line, you just have to move forward. So let's try. We're going to try moving forward twice and see if that gets us to home. So when you're ready to start, you can just click this start square. Uh-oh, that's not so great. So we drove off the road. We went too far, but that's okay, not a problem. We can always try again. And you can see this is where we drove off, so it turned red. So we're going to take this step, click and drag it over to the trash can here in the bottom corner. And once that trash can lid lifts, you can release it and it'll throw that step away. So let's try it with just one instruction to move forward. And click Start again. And that did it. All right, so next you can just click on to the next level, and the tracks will get harder and harder. So here's a look at what one of the harder tracks look like. This is level 11. So as you can see, there's a lot more turns on the course, and there's more instructions over here. but you can still just click and drag them over to build out the steps for the computer and build out your pseudocode. So now that you know how to play, I will let you guys get to it and have fun building your pseudocode and driving that car home. Bye.